guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and OV-tune the truck. I'm gonna hand the video over pretty much to Jason, and he's gonna tell you everything that he's doing. Jason CB, he's at CB Built on Instagram. You can hit him up to get your truck OV-tuned. So Jason, take it away. Tell us all about the OV-tune.
Hey, we got Bajan over here. We're gonna give him the OV-tune, as I'm sure you guys have all heard about. Basically, there's tunes for the Tacoma. It's an ECU and a TCU flash. And I have Dimitri here, my tune guy, TRD Pro Pugs. Basically, what that's going to do for you is going to get rid of the throttle lag that's in the throttle, and we can tune your engine for either 91, 87 fuel. We can tune your shift points for 529 gears that you have. We can also get rid of your speed limiter, which I'm sure many of you know. When you get 529 gears, you're stuck at about 86, 85 miles an hour. So we can get rid of that when you're passing people. You can actually go faster than that. And then, yeah, it's going to give you more horsepower as well. So we'll get started.
We're going to do a TSP update, make sure the truck's up to date, plug everything in. I have a jumper here, make sure that the battery's all operational while we do the TSP. And then after that, we're going to custom load our tune on there, a Sibi Tune.
Yeah, we have our custom Sibi
made in-house, something we've been working on for quite a while and tested on our trucks for about a few months, up to a year on mine, and liked it so much and had other friends drive it and they enjoyed it. We thought we might as well start making it for everybody, and
a lot of people have been more happy with that over the normal OV-tune that everybody's been getting. The Sibi Tune's got a lot more punch on it, a lot more throttle response, and a lot more power. Alright, so the update was successful. We just updated the TSB to the latest version for your model year. Now what Dimitri is going to do is he's going to check and verify, and then he's going to load the Sibi Tune onto the truck. And then process overall takes about 20 minutes, 25 minutes for everything. And then we're going to let the truck go through an idle process, let that learn idle, and then we'll go for a test drive. Dimitri needs to know a few key things prior to loading it so we can make the appropriate custom tune for you. So basically, do you have an AGM battery or anything that requires higher voltage?
No.
So we'll just do the standard alternator voltage. And then what gearing are you on?
529s.
529s. And then what tire size?
35s.
So Dimitri will make that tune right now, and then we'll get that loaded for you.
all right, so after we finish the tune, it's all loaded. We have to reset the learning value for the transmission and the engine to get things started and kind of start the truck off as a brand new off the lot.
It does take a couple tanks of gas to really feel all of that tune in the truck. So for instance, I'm gonna drive this tank of gas and the truck will feel tremendously better. However, the next tank of gas that I drive is gonna feel even better than the rest of this tank. So it's something that learns with time. As Dimitri was explaining, the truck begins to learn itself and then it drives the way that you drive. So you should definitely give the truck a chance to get some gas through it, to get some miles put on it before you judge how the OV-tune really is. So we're going for the first test drive, just seeing how the tune feels. Dimitri's driving right now.
We're pretty much just driving it a little bit to get the tune learning. Something we figured out a while ago, that if you drive a little bit rough, it kind of kicks in faster and helps out. That's ECT.
With it on, it goes past red line?
Yeah.
How about with it off?
It goes to normal.
Okay. So I went ahead and I drove the truck with the new CB Built tune, and it feels a lot better. OVTune 2.0 was awesome, but I got used to it pretty quick. So having the new CB Built tune is going to be amazing. However, I can't give my impressions on it just yet about how it is long term because I really haven't had the chance to drive it. However, there is someone here who's going from stock to OV-tune, so we're gonna go talk to him after he drives his truck and see how he thinks the improvement has been and if it's worth the money. All right, so we got Vince here. He has the stock Tacoma and he's getting the OV-tune loaded on right now. So we're just gonna ask him how he likes the stock tune. Vince, How terrible is the stock tune?
Oh, dude, it's sluggish, man. You know, constantly searching for gears. MPGs are not that great. I mean, maybe with the tune, it'll be a little bit better.
How's the transmission shifting?
Oh, dude, it's sluggish.
It's slow.
It's I can't decide what gear it wants to be on, especially when you're going up like a slope or something.
That's true.
Dude, it's just either $4,000 or 1.5 going slow as hell.
Okay.
You know.
So we're gonna Dimitri's loading the tune on the truck right now. So once he gets the chance to drive it, we'll come back and update you, and Vince will tell you how it is.
Yeah, buddy. First drive after the tune. We're gonna see how this thing rips, dude. See you in a bit. Yeah, dude, so after ripping around that truck with the Sibi Tune, dude, I'm already here, so we're gonna go from OV to the Sibi Tune, because that thing rips, bro. So we're doing it.
Yeah, so just to say, he went ahead and got the OVTune on his truck. We went ahead and raced to see which one's faster, my truck with the Sibi Tune versus his truck with the OVTune. Mind you, my truck weighs 1,000 pounds more at least, but I do have gears, but I have 35-inch tires. And with the Sibi Tune, not gonna lie, I kind of walked your truck.
Yeah, dude, a whole ass RV beat me, dude. A Winnebago beat me.
One, two, three. And goodbye. So yeah, he is gonna switch to the Sibi Tune. So that's just to say, if you're getting only the OVTune 2.0 loaded on your truck, you're missing out on a lot. Just to say, the shift points are improved going to the Sibi Tune. Drives so much better. It is faster. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And we have a non-biased witness to agree with that.
True. Yeah, man.
So Vince went ahead and got the Sibi Tune loaded on his truck. So now we're gonna rerun that same race, my truck versus his truck, and both have the Sibi Tune on.
Yeah, so just got done with the CB built, just ripped it against my man here, and glad I went with the CB built OVTune. So yeah, we're good.
So that last race pretty much confirmed that the Sibi Tune is indeed better than the OVTune, as I pulled on him in the first race by bus lengths pretty much. And now it's literally a tire length. So
yeah.
If you guys have any questions on the Sibi Tune or any of our other tunes that we offer, feel free to DM either me or Dimitri, or give us a call on our shop page. Find us on Google and Instagram at Sibi Built. And thanks guys, and have a great day.